Alright, boys and girls, we're out here with this Metakoo M1. It's a beautiful little indoor flyer. I flew it outside one time, but it didn't fly that hot. But it's really not made for outdoors, so. Got it in the third rate, which is what you want to have it in. These things kind of slow in the first rate. Kind of don't move around too good. See the flips? The flips are good. If you're into the flips, this will do it. Not a lot of room to turn in here, so check the yaw speed out. It's pretty damn good. Now the red is in the front. That's your front orientation there, the red, so. I'll put the flight time in there. Yeah, I'm trying to do these bank turns, but it doesn't seem like I got enough room to. Doesn't seem like I have enough room to pull that off. There you go. You just got to get a little sway going one way and then pull it back the other way, so. Don't even try this thing in the headless mode doing that kind of stuff first. This thing will work in the headless mode, but when you have it in the headless mode, it starts acting weird when you try to do like flips and stuff. It kind of throws the thing out of whack, and then it won't fly right. Now you see how stable this thing is. Really nice. I mean, I can't recommend this thing enough for an indoor farting around. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, for that, it's great for that. Outside, nah, not so much. Whoa, get back here, baby. I recovered it. Good recovery. Yeah, the orientation on it is with the red in the front. The problem is when it's up, you know, at your eye level, you can't see it. I said that in the outdoor video. I said they should have made the shroud. They should have made the shroud red in the front and black in the back, because then you could see it better. Because when it's at your eye level, I think the battery's going. Yeah, that's the end of the battery. I'm not 100% sure it was fully charged, so I'll put the flight time in anyway, but I'm not sure it was 100% charged. Yeah, if they would have put the shroud red and even left this props all black, it would have been easier to get the orientation. But once it's at like this level, okay, and you're spinning it around, it's very hard for you to see unless you dip down and look like that, get down on your knees or whatever. Then you can see the red up under there. But just flying it normally, if it's, you know, head high, it's very hard to tell the orientation on it, you know. Though you got the blue lights and the green lights, but still, it's the shroud. If they would have made the shroud red, it would have been a lot better. So, but other than that, it's great. Flies really nice in the house. You can't go wrong with this thing for 20 bucks or whatever it was. It wasn't that much. It was like around 20 bucks. You got 2 batteries, really nice packing in there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.